Good day everyone. My name is Gabriel Luis Jean Shana from BSc 4B. Let's talk about Republic Act number 10175 or Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012. Bago ako magsimula sa topic natin ngayon, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo kung ano nga ba ang mga tatalakayin natin ngayong araw. Una sa lahat, introduction, purpose, history of Republic Act 10175 in the Philippines, crimes related and cybercrime, and last is the penalties and offenses under RA 10175. Introduction to RA 10175, also known as the Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012, addresses crimes committed through computers and the internet. Sinasabi dito, ang RA 10175 ay ang mga crimes na kung saan nakukumit sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng computers at internet. Protects individuals, institutions, and the state in cyberspace. Sinasabi dito, pinoprotektahan din ito ang bawat individual, institutions, at lalo na ang state sa posibleng maging epekto nito sa atin. The law defines various forms of cybercrime, including unauthorized access to computer system, illegal interception of data, data interference, computer-related fraud, identity theft, cybersex, and online child exploitation. Sinasabi dito, tinutukoy din ng batas nito ang iba't ibang uri ng cybercrime tulad ng illegal access or hacking or panghihimasok sa isang computer system na walang pahintulot na may-ari, illegal interception o pagharang sa data, data interference, identity theft o ang pagkuha ng isang private identity ng isang tao, cybersex at ang panghuli ay ang child exploitation. Next is purpose of RA 10175. The primary purpose of Republic Act 10175 is to combat various forms of cybercrime that were becoming increasingly prevalent with the growth of technology and the internet. It aims to protect individuals, businesses, and institutions from cyber threats, promote confidence in online transactions, and establish mechanisms for prevention and investigation of cybercrimes. Sinasabi dito, ang pangunahing layunin ng RA 10175 ay upang labanan at ibang-ibang uri ng cybercrimes na lalong dumadami dahil sa paglago ng ating teknolohiya. The next one is history of RA 10175 in the Philippines, enacted in response to the rise of cybercrimes in the Philippines. Signed into law on September 12, 2012 by President Benigno Aquino III. Designed to address crimes committed using computers and the internet. May dalawang tao akong i-share sa inyo na kilala sa kasaysayan ng cybercrime sa Pilipinas. Una ay si Onel de Guzman. Maaring kilala nyo na siya. He creator of the I Love You computer virus on 2000. His case is one of the most damaging computer viruses in history. But Onel de Guzman is not criminally convicted due to lack of cybercrime law in the Philippines at the time. His case influenced the development of Philippine cybercrime legislation including RA 10175. Si Onel de Guzman ay hindi nakulong sapagkat wala pang law na nagbabawal dito. The next one is JJ Maria Henner. Alam kong bago sa pandinig ninyo. Siya ay kilala bilang the first Filipino convicted in cybercrime case for hacking government websites including the GovPH portal. He convicted on September 2005 under the e-commerce law or RA 8792 for unauthorized access and hacking. Siya ay nahahatulan bilang kauna-unahang Pilipino na nakulong sa panghahack gamit ang computers. The next one is penalties and offenses. RA 10175 outlines penalties for different cybercrimes which may include imprisonment and fines. First is illegal access or hacking. Penalty, prison mayor, imprisonment, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Next is illegal interception. Penalty, prison mayor, imprisonment, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Next is data interference. Penalty, prison mayor, imprisonment, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Next is cyber libel. Penalty, prison correctional, imprisonment, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Next is cybersex. Penalty, prison mayor, imprisonment, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. The next one is child pornography. Penalty, prison mayor to reclusion temporal, imprisonment, 6 years and 1 day up to 20 years. Next is online solicitation of sexual activities. Penalty, prison mayor, imprisonment, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Dito na po natatapos ang aking report. Maraming salamat.